Alright guys, today I'm going to be building a garden trellis. Picked up some supplies from Home Depot. Let's grab some tools. Clamps. And grab some glue. Glue's going to hold it together more than those little brad nails. It's one of the only things I don't have. It's DeWalt. Alright, let's see how long this thing is. 8 feet. So I'm probably going to stick it about a foot in the ground. We cut those 8-foot boards in half, so maybe about 3 foot tall. Let's go cut those boards. I picked up these cedar boards, 1x2s. I picked cedar. It's supposed to last longer outside in the elements. It's everything I'll be using today. Let's start off measuring these 8 foot, make sure they're exactly 8 foot across. Perfect. Let's start with 2 8-footers. I don't really have any plans for this or anything, just kind of making it up as I go. These are all about 8 foot and 1/4 inch long. So I'm having to cut about 1/4 inch off each one to make them 8 foot. I want this 4 foot tall, and I'll drive it about a foot in. So that means it's going to stick up from the soil about 3 foot. I'm going to take one board, we'll cut it right in half, and then we'll make 2 little stakes out of it. 96 1/4. I'll go 4 foot and 1/8. I'm gonna go right on the line. Typically you want to go on either side, whichever side you're trying to keep. You'll cut on the other side of the line. That makes sense, because your blade is about 1/16 of an inch. So you lose that material. Next, I'm just going to cut some spikes into the end of those 2. Boom. And there you go. So now I'm just going to connect those 2 with those 2, and I'll kind of build the outside frame of it. Measuring down 1 inch. That way it's not sitting flush up with the top of the stake. I think it'll look a little better. Add a little bit of glue. Square, flush, and there we go. That glue is really going to hold it a lot better than these nails, and really they should be a little longer than 1 inch, but since I'm using this glue, I think it's going to be fine. Just going to do the same thing to this other side real quick. Maybe a little too much glue. We are square, we are flush. Too much glue. All right, so I know we want 3 foot sticking out of the ground. Let's measure 3 foot right there. And I measure in between that mark and that board, and then we'll stick another board right in the middle. So 33 1/2, 16 3/4. There. Marking out where that board's going to sit. Throw some glue down. Go ahead and get one side. Well, definitely gonna need to add some more pieces in the middle. I feel like that gap is too wide. I may go one more right here at 12 inches from the bottom. And then I think between here and in between here would be good. So that's 3 more boards, which is exactly what I have. Also would like to put one right in the middle, I think, but I could always add that later. All right, let's cut these remaining 3 to 8 foot and we'll throw them in there. Mark out where these things go. I'm gonna set one, this edge right here, 16 inches exactly. So 8-inch, boom. 8 inches. Do the same over here. All right, let's stick them down. Okay, let's get this side tacked. All right, I think that's good. I like the gap in between them. I do think probably we'll add another piece right there. I just don't have any more wood. Those sticks were about $4 or $5 a piece. So 6 pieces, about 30 bucks. It's perfect. I need to drive it in the ground here. You know what? I don't think it does need anything in the middle. It's honestly pretty sturdy. I'm gonna grab a hammer and drive it all the way down where it's gonna sit. I just thought of this. I could screw into these bottom right here and just screw it against the garden bed. Drill a little pilot hole and screw them in, and it won't go anywhere. I think I'm gonna leave it open like this. I hope the gap isn't too wide. If so, it wouldn't be much to add more boards like that. Heck, I could even run some chicken wire or something like that. If I need to make modifications, I will. I think it's gonna work just fine. Grab a level and see if this thing is level. That's pretty good. All right. There it is. Thank you all for watching. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see y'all next time.